On this episode of Ask the Fedora, I'm talking about 6 great networking tips that you can use to help make your networking more effective. Number 1, arrive early. I've talked about this in a few other videos. It's always a great idea to help the organizer set up. Show up early. It's always a great idea to be seen. So number 2, hang around the entrance. You'll have a chance to see people as they're arriving and introduce yourselves to more people as they're coming and going. Number 3, ask good questions. For instance, one of my favorite is, have you been to this event before? Do you know the organizer? Can I help introduce you to anybody? Number 4, once you're engaged in a conversation, wait to give a business card. Yes, we all want to throw our business cards at somebody and hopefully the gigs will fly down the road, but it's a matter of developing a rapport. Wait until you're asked before giving a business card. Number 5, write details about the conversation you've had on the back of the business card, let's say once the conversation's over, so that you'll have something to follow up with. Number 6, follow up. Follow up as soon as possible and make sure that you customize and tweak every single email or LinkedIn conversation with that person by using the details you had on their business card. So number 1, as a recap, arrive early. Number 2, hang around the entrance. Number 3, ask some good questions. Number 4, once engaged with people, wait to give your business card until asked. Number 5, write some details on the business card of the people you meet. Number 6, follow up sooner rather than later. Thanks for watching. For more great entrepreneur networking tips, subscribe to our eSAX YouTube channel, because eSAX makes networking work.